Good day and welcome to the first of 3 modules in the FBI's MyMoney 123 series. My name is Rihanna Badenhorst and I'm the Consumer Affairs Coordinator at the Financial Planning Institute, and I'll be taking you through this module. In this module, we'll be looking at personal financial management. The other modules are dealing with debt and understanding savings and investments. FBI MyMoney 123 is a financial education community outreach project. The aim of the project is to actively engage all South Africans to consider and ponder their personal financial planning responsibilities and goals. Many South Africans has never had the appropriate guidance or opportunity to explore and discuss their personal financial planning needs without the guise to sell them something. Please note that the content of this session does not constitute nor replace any form of financial planning advice and is not intended to be relied upon to make or refrain from making any specific financial or other related decisions. Appropriate independent financial advice should be obtained before making any such decisions. The presentation content, presentation discussions, and financial planning tools or workbook material will never provide judgment, provide any recommendation, guidance, or proposal in respect of the purchase of any product, make any form of recommendation in respect of the investment in any product, guide you to conclude any transaction, including a loan or cession, aimed at the incurring of any liability or the acquisition of any right or benefit in respect of any product, influence you to apply for a product, replace a product, or terminate a product. It will never condone nor support any financial institution or financial product. The presentation and content will only give factual information, describe procedures to do a financial transaction, prescribe financial products, or answer routine administration questions. Who is the Financial Planning Institute of Southern Africa? The Financial Planning Institute of Southern Africa is a South African qualifications authority recognized professional body for financial planners, which serves the public by ensuring that people who carry the CFP and other designations are qualified, experienced, and professional. The FBI has also been approved by the South African Revenue Service as a recognized controlling body. The Institute is also recognized internationally and is a founding and a current affiliate member of the International Financial Planning Standards Board based in the USA, along with 25 other affiliate member countries who offer the CFP certification, the highest recognized professional designation worldwide for financial planning professionals. Financial planning and me. Financial planning is a process which covers 3 important fundamental questions with regards to one's financial situation. Number 1, where am I now? Number 2, where do I need to be? Number 3, how do I get there? A successful financial plan answers these questions, making provision for life-changing events such as death, disability, retirement, retrenchment, divorce, and so on. The financial plan provides financial freedom after the event has occurred by enabling one to maintain a lifestyle which he is accustomed to. This is achieved through a financial planning process which leads to appropriate solutions for each individual's needs. What is a certified financial planner professional? A certified financial planning professional mark or designation is an internationally recognized as the benchmark for professional advice. Holders of such designation have met stringent qualification and competency requirements, as well as abide by unequivocal ethical standards. Clients who work with a CFP professional are highly confident that they will achieve their financial goals. Clients of CFP professionals rate them highly on honesty and integrity, understanding clients' needs, and placing clients' interest first. Of the nearly 150,000 registered representatives registered with the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, only about 4,800 are CFP professionals. To find a financial planning professional to work with, go to www.letsplan.co.za. Let's have a look at the difference between a need and a want, as this will help us when we do our spending plan. A need is something that we can't live without, such as water, food, and shelter. And a want is something that is nice to have, such as a new car, designer handbag, or a new cell phone. Goals. Why do we have to set goals? It will help you to decide what you want in life. It will help you stay focused. It will help you to measure your progress or your success. It will help keep you motivated. Goals need to be smart. Goals need to be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and have a timeline. An example of a SMART goal is, I want to buy my own house in 5 years' time. Your first step to financial freedom begins with a financial plan. To achieve your objectives, you need a plan that is going to help you stay disciplined, focused, and goal-orientated. You need to develop a personal budget plan. How to get started? Make sure you have at least 30 minutes available and have the following handy: your bank statement, an exercise book, and an envelope. Why do you need your bank statement? You will see your income or salary amount on the bank statement. You will also be able to see all debit orders going off your account. You will also see how much bank charges you pay. And very importantly, you will notice if any amounts are deducted from your account which you have not authorized. Let's get started. Look on page 8 of the workbook for an example of a budget planner. Take your exercise book, and at the back of your exercise book, draw 3 columns. One is the description, for example, salary. The next column is budgeted amount. This is what you think you will be spending. And the third column is actual amount. This will be completed at the end of the month and is what you have actually spent on that item. This will help you when you look at your budget for the following month. You will start by recording your income or salary. This is a very important figure as we need to know how much money we have available for the month. Remember, we can't spend more than we earn. The next step is you will list all your expenses. You will see that there are 2 types of expenses, namely fixed and variable expenses. A fixed expense is an expense that stays the same every month, such as your savings or stokvel, your rent or your bond payment, transport, and loan repayments. Variable expenses changes every month, such as your water and electricity, your cell phone, and your groceries. Once you have listed all your income and expenses, deduct your total expenses from your income. Now you can see what you will have left at the end of the month if you stick to your budget. If your budgeted expenses are more than your income, you need to go back and see if you could find anywhere where you could reduce your spending. Then use the front section of your exercise book as your daily budget diary. This is where you will record each purchase you make. This will also give you an actual spending for the month and will help you plan for the following month. Do this on a daily basis as you spend the money so you don't forget any purchases. This will help you to identify where you are wasting money and help you to correct these poor financial habits going forward. Keep an envelope with your daily budget diary for your slips. This, along with your bank statement, will be used at the end of the month to reconcile your budget to see what you have spent compared to what you have budgeted to spend. From here, you will then do your budget for the following month. The aim into month 2 and 3 is that we begin to reduce waste spend, pay down debt, and free up cash flow towards regular savings and investment. Going forward, get your budget in order. Make sure you know where you spend your money and where you waste your money. Pay off as much of your debt as possible. Save more money for those unforeseen events. And make sure you have short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Do you have a will in place? Have you made provision for your children after you have passed away? Do you have sufficient life, disability, and severe illness cover? And what about short-term insurance? Teach your children about money, where it comes from, and how to spend it wisely. And just as a reminder, find a financial planner professional at www.letsplan.co.za. You can also scan this QR code to sign up for our consumer newsletter, or you can scan the QR code on the screen to access additional tools to help you on your journey. Thank you for attending this session on personal financial management, and be on the lookout for the rest of the modules.